Hi everybody, I'm Dave for Champion Trading, and what we're excited to show you today is this beautiful little homogenizing mixer system. The vessel itself is 316L stainless steel. It's a pharmaceutical grade, and it is operating with the Silverson. This is the FX or BX60 horse and a half hour homogenizer. As you can see, it employs an encoder up top. And we're running it at slow speed right now. We're going to bring Jim around this side. We're wired up now. We're operating on 440 volts. We're going to give you a little look inside this one. We got a little light here to help you see a little bit better. And the unit is variable speed. And we're going to turn it up and show it to you right now. We're going to bring it up to full speed, which is about 3,500 RPM for most of these. You see you got a really nice flow there. It employs the use of the baffle. You see on your right hand side that initially actually forgot to mention that baffle is removable. Show you top, it has a little push pin to remove it, slide it in and out for cleaning. Really nice, quiet. Beautiful little unit, and like I said to you, that's, let me bring you around front, Jim. This is tag over here. It is 316L inside, 304 on the exterior is a common way to do it. This is a fully jacketed,
made in the USA.
Fully jacketed and insulated. You can hear the little deadening sound there. Your plate here, it is got a high pressure rated jacket. On the bottom you have, that's an ESCO radial diaphragm type valve, very sanitary. 4 casters, all swivel, all locking. We left the original piping on for you if you want it, because it's so meticulously beautiful. Our main control panel, as I mentioned, is running on 460 volt. There's a scale system built into the tank, and the 3 legs all sit on Mettler Toledo load cells coming back to the scale here. We don't have the manual to operate that, so we're just making sure it's on right now. The 2 push handles also conveniently work to protect the control panel a little bit. And of course your speed for your homogenizer here, stop start for that, main power. And of course has the fusible disconnect and the e-stop. Very nice little unit. We have lots of homogenizers in our stock. We can offer them tank mounted or with any configuration changes you may need through our shop here. We do hope to hear from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.